If you want to open Discord on a computer, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to get into Discord using your browser, step by step, so you can start chatting, joining servers, and using Discord on your PC or Mac without any confusion. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. First, open your browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, or really any modern browser on your computer. Once the browser is open, go to Discord's web app by typing discord.com/app into the address bar. This takes you straight to Discord Online, which is the fastest way to open it on a computer. When the page loads, you'll see the Discord login screen. On that screen, click the login button. Discord will then ask you to sign in with your account details. Enter your email address or phone number first. Make sure you type it correctly so Discord can find your account. Next, enter your password in the password field. If you have two-factor authentication turned on, you may also need to complete that step before you can continue. After everything is entered, click Log In. Once you're signed in, Discord will open your dashboard and you'll be able to access your servers, messages, friends list, and all of your channels. From here, you can use Discord just like you normally would. You can join voice chats, send messages, browse communities, and keep up with conversations right from your computer. If you're using Discord often, you may also want to bookmark the page so it's easier to open next time. That way, instead of searching for it again, you can just click the bookmark and go straight into Discord in one step. And if Discord asks whether you want to stay signed in, you can choose that option if you're on your personal computer and want quicker access in the future. That's all it takes to open Discord on a computer. It's simple, fast, and you don't even need to install anything if you just want to use the web version. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.